hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Please remain seated for the entire cruise. And parents, keep an eye on your children. I don't want you. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. And don't worry, it only rains on that one time. And right over here, we have the mysterious Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where Indiana Jones is searching for the world's rarest, most beautiful treasure. Little does he know I've been over here this whole time. Uh-oh. Say, here's something suspicious. Yep, it's about what I thought. We have a 500-pound tiger. Does anybody know which side of a tiger has the most stripes? It's the outside. Of course. Make sure you write that down. There's a test later. We're now entering a sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Oh, and it looks like the entire herd is out tonight. Now that is just unheard of. Feel free to take pictures. They all have their trucks on. The elephant is known to grow up to 4 feet, while humans can only grow up to 2. You didn't know that? That's also on the test. No, you messed it up. You're supposed to wait a little longer. That's okay. You can still get some of the ones in the back. Duck. I'm just kidding, though. Some dry humor for you. That looks dangerous. Supposed to be in Dr. Suke, one of our VIPs, but I don't see him anywhere. Oh my goodness, look what they did to his Jeep! Oh, they left the lights on! Oh, he's never gonna get past the turnover. Well, we're entering banana country now, folks. Keep your eyes peeled, you may need to slip. Don't make any banana noises either, they find that really appealing. Don't worry, we'll be going over it later. We made it to the Nile River of Africa. Now the Nile is one of the longest rivers in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me on that, then I guess you're in denial. This is an African bull elephant, extremely smart. I taught this one some tricks. Speak! Come on, louder. Good job, now stay still. Isn't he talented, folks? And here we have the African elk, home to a wide variety of animals. Down there in the front we have a couple of zebra. Those are the oldest animals here. You can tell that they're still in black and white. Oh, look, that one's sleeping. Yeah, I know, that's how they sleep on their side. Neck is slightly bent eyes. Wide open. Oh no, Felix! I can't believe they trusted you with the VIP. This is Thursday. End of class. Oh no, there's Dr. Cohen up there, second from the top. Well, I didn't see that. You guys? You didn't see anything either. I don't know if you had paperwork. Like somebody else's problem, you know. I'm sure they'll get help eventually. Now right near here, I'd just like to point out a few of my favorite plants. I guess I found the rest of Felix's boat here. His cruise must be half on. You know, halfway, half price. You know, a lot of people think this job is so easy, a bunch of monkeys can do it. But let me tell you something. Those are apes. Okay, folks, now if you look just ahead of us here, focus into the darkness in between those plants, you'll see absolutely nothing. Now, looks like those are supposed to go to Dr. Khan. He is an entomologist after all. You know, I'm still trying to figure out what an entomologist is. It's really bugging me. Now, here it is, folks, the moment you've all been waiting for. The eighth wonder of the world. The stupendous jackpot of water. Oh, shoot. Now, that was an explosive joke for all the chemists on board. And now if you look just ahead on the left. My boss, Alberta, said this is a really good place to go fishing. Yeah, she says they're always fighting. I think they're supposed to say their name 3 times really fast, though. Piranha, piranha, piranha! Oh, good job. Oh, I probably should have picked a different fish, though. That's okay, I know how to get us out of here. We just gotta turn right. Everybody knows that piranha can't turn right, after all. Look right over there, we got a python sitting in that tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Sounds like a constricting relationship, though. Definitely not something you'd want to be wrapped up in. Unless you're something. Definitely wouldn't want to have a problem. Be sure to stop on by the gift shop here. Pick yourself up a hat. You know all about hats. I'm here for the Jungle Cruise. Now, a lot of people think that's water, but it's not. Alright, you did it. You just survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise, folks. As we approach the dock, please remain seated, keeping all of your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. You don't want to get your arms caught between the boat and the dock. It causes a lot of air pressure. Now, if you enjoyed your